Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. As to this back, and I mean, how you doing? How you been? I hope everything is great. I have this 2020 Subaru Impreza. If you have a car between 2020 and 2023, you see what I did right there? I'm saying between 2020 and 2023 Subaru Impreza, this video is for you. All right? I'm gonna show you how to do the rear front brakes, and then on a separate video, I'm gonna show you how to do the rear brakes. You know, change the rotors, change the pads, and then on a separate video, I'm gonna show you how to do the left rear bearing. All right. So stay tuned. Know what I'm saying? We have a big project right here. I gotta do a few tires too, but I'm not gonna show you how to do that because you don't have the machine. Know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna do it like manually because it's overrated. You know what I'm saying? So come with me, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, community, family members, haters, lovers. Hey, hater, how you doing? Hope everything is good. I love you too. Sight. All right, just shout outs to the whole planet. All right. Not forgetting someone, anybody. I guess that's it. Yeah, you know, from Japan to Peru, Brazil, Mexico, States, Canada, Italy, India, Malaysia, China, everybody. You know what I'm saying? Thailand, everybody. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you the part number and all that. All right, so come on. This is how this baby look like. You know what I'm saying? We don't have no bolts. Okay. But sometimes when the rotor gets stuck, that's why you have this for. So you put the screw and push the rotor out. To I want to say 14, 17. 17 is around there. Over here, if you see it. All right, that's pretty much it. This is a really good angle. Okay. What's that? No, it's not 17 for that. This guy is 14. I want to do it like. $14. You're welcome to use your wrench. I'm using an impact. Okay, because I can. No biggie. Try this. Wiggle it. I'm gonna have to push this piston back in a second. Put it there. These brake pads are like alright. Not good. And that's the main reason why I'm replacing these pads. The brakes and all that. 17 for these two babies. You see it? Yeah. I'm gonna use my impact because I can. If you don't have an impact gun, use your wrench, breaker bar. Alright. Here, 1, 2. Okay. This one I'm gonna use the wrench. There you go. And since I feel kind of lazy, electric ratchet 17. with a swivel. Swivel 17 socket. Come out. There. No biggie. This thing just come out just like that. Alright. Throw it away. Or whatever. When they give you part numbers and all that, alright? Come with me. Let's break this rotor with a bag. That's grease. So we're gonna have to remove the grease with some brake cleaner. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna show you the brake pad number. Let's just break this whole thing. This is it. WBR World Brake Resources. Okay, you see it right there. That's the part number. This is front rotor. Okay. If it's not this, it could be this. Okay. See it right there. 26300FL028. But that's the brand. Okay. If this part number doesn't work, this is it. Alright. For the rotor. Now, I'm just gonna clean the rotor. Grab some brake cleaner. Wipe it. Side two. Put it the other way. Flip it. Put it there. Alright, Gucci. Now, this guy right here, the bracket. The bracket. What I do is I'm just gonna spray it, some brake cleaner. Somehow it break down the rust. I'm just gonna brush this. Okay. Brush it good though. If it's not that rusty, if you see it good though, you can reuse it. It's okay. No biggie. But if it's damaged, yeah, you need to replace it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do both sides. You see that dust? Don't breathe that. Okay, it's not good for the lungs. Always check that this thing move back and forward. Look good. Alright, good. Grab some silicone brake lubricant. I like to put it before I install it. I don't put it on the brake pads. because this is the main part where the brake pad's gonna slide on. Okay, pretty much it. If you need to clean this, guys, just pull it out, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. All right, that's good. Now I'm gonna put it back in. Alright, guys, so I got the part number. Okay, comes straight from the dealership. There's a part number right there from brake pads, straight from the dealership. Not playing. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is start back. Same way you pull it out, same way it's gonna go in. The other one, okay. Looking for the other bolt. Here it is. Use this guy. There. Tighten it. Okay. Now this guy is gonna go down. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave it outside because this thing, this clip, is gonna be outside like this. Okay. It's a little spring that I push the pads outward so it doesn't stick. That's the mechanism. I'm gonna push this guy back. Grab the piston pusher. Where's the piston pusher now? Piston pusher. Should be around here. Here it is. You see that before in action. I'm gonna use the old brake pad so I don't damage the new one. Clockwise. Make the gap smaller. Right there, like this. I'm gonna turn it clockwise. Keep pushing. That's how we're gonna push the piston back. You can get this tool anywhere. Fabric, auto parts store, Amazon, eBay. think it's better if you're getting Amazon. There's infinite types, brands. Okay, just so you know. Believe it or not, you can help. You can help with your hands too. It works. Okay. So the way down. So the way back. So some grease. This. There you go. Sorry. Put the balls back. Up and down. That was 14. Oops. Here it is. Snug it. Should be good. Do the same on the other side. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. Subscribe to the channel. Shout outs to everybody. Like, share, and comment. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, boom. Don't forget to road test it, okay? Like now. See ya. Oh yeah, before I go, when you're gonna road test it, go between 30 and 40 miles. Obey your town speed limit. Like I was saying, go between 30 and 40. You know the brake's gonna adjust, and maybe in the beginning you're gonna have a little sound, but after that you do that brake gradually like this. Don't brake like this. Brake like this. Okay, do that like 3 times, 4 times, and sound gone. Check your brake fluid reservoir too. Okay, if you need some, top it off. It's located right there in the engine bay. All right, my little right there. All right, you know where to find me. I'm tracking now. Axtuo. It's Axtuo. You know what I mean? Holla at me. I have the video. Remember, I had the video how to do the rear brakes and how to do the bearing. Okay, on the rear side. You know where to find me. I'm tracking now. Axtuo. I'm talking too much. See ya. Hey, support the channel. Down below there's a heart. If you don't see it, right where the thumbs up is, scroll to the right. You see the heart. It says thanks. Click on that. Go through it. You know what to do with it. Alright? Stop playing. Put the tip on the table. Damn it. Alright. I'll let your boy see you. Bye. Bye bye. Yeah.